Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, remote vehicle start, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.